Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant incompatible software component detected. All right, let's begin. First, open the File Explorer, go to your C drive, then open the Windows folder and navigate to System 3.2. Inside System 3.2, open the folder named Drivers. Now use the search bar in the top right corner and type the file name exactly as shown in the error, Ene.sys. Once you locate the file, right-click on it and select the Rename option. Change the name of the file to ene.sys.old and press Enter. If prompted, confirm the administrator permission to apply the change. After renaming the file, relaunch Valorant and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, it may be caused by RGB driver software installed on your system. Uninstall these programs, then restart your system and launch Valorant again. So that's basically how you can fix Valorant incompatible software component detected. That's it for this video. Thanks.